So start by plugging the gun in and then adjust the temperature down to about 130 degrees. You can adjust it later depending on how the wax responds, and then just feed two 11mm wax sticks into the barrel. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to warm up and you're good to go. So all you need to do is just dispense the wax in the area you want it to be. 1.5 pumps should be perfect, I find. And then just press the stamp into the centre of the wax. Allow it to dry for a few seconds and the wax stamp should lift off easily once it's done. So you can just keep doing this on repeat. The wax should stay pretty much the same, even temperature for you. So this is a really good tool for producing a number of wax seals at a really fast pace. So take a look at our store. We've got amazing selection of wax colours and wax products, and we'd love to hear what you think, and we'd love to hear what responses you have on our glue gun. Thanks for watching. Bye.